The Kiteworks and Carahsoft partnership is focused on delivering content-defined zero trust to the state, local, and education market that is commonly called SLED. Cybersecurity directives at the federal level, such as Executive Order 14028, prompted many organizations to embrace zero trust principles. The Kiteworks Private Content Network enables SLED organizations to protect sensitive content communications as it is shared within, into, and out of their organizations while demonstrating compliance with a long list of data privacy regulations and cybersecurity frameworks. Kiteworks is FedRAMP authorized for moderate level impact and touts compliance with numerous other standards such as SOC 2, ISO 27001, 27017, and 27018, FITS 140-2, and the IRAP mandate in Australia, among others. For suppliers in the Department of Defense supply chain, compliance with CMMC 2.0 is on the near horizon. The Kiteworks Private Content Network accelerates CMMC certification, meeting nearly 90% of Level 2 practice controls. Kiteworks and Carahsoft's focus on the SLED market also enables research universities and hospitals to protect private information from malicious cyberattacks and insider threats by employing comprehensive governance tracking and controls. For SLED organizations, Kiteworks and Carahsoft consolidates all communication channels into one platform. This allows organizations to easily manage, track, and secure sensitive content and comply with all necessary cybersecurity regulations.